can't get on Wi-Fi. I only have Facebook, and I can't get on Wi-Fi without Wi-Fi. Oh. A long time ago, I didn't know how to phone though. He's on Wi-Fi.
Where's Joe?
Oh yeah, I'm not even for real. I tried to text him this morning. He was answering me. They don't belong anymore. No, swear to God, they don't. I'm my kids. Ring. What ring? I don't know what you're talking about. Girl.
They stole money.
Well, how is that like you're going to tell me? I just got with Nick 2 days ago. I mean, I've known him, but I didn't hang out with him, like that.
So I put my heart and soul out there for somebody and other people. And this is the things that I get used and abused by my own family and loved ones. So everybody's kicking me out of mom's house and mom's trying to sell it and sister's taking it over. And what am I left with? Nothing. You heard it yourselves.
Well, how is that like you're going to tell me? I don't know what you're talking about. Girl.
They stole money.
Well, how is that like you're going to tell me?
From me. Anyways, thank you and God bless.